Okay, here we are out in the greenhouse. Got it all set up, ready to play. Again, my tomatoes, there's a lemon boy. There is the sunrise bumblebee. And there is the Rio Grande. So I've got 4 boxes in here and 3 sets of lights. So this box is going to be more or less my control box. There will be a little light spillage over from the lights that I'm testing, but not a great deal, especially for the lemon boy. But I kept the varietals consistent all the way around, and we'll see how things go. So here is my Mars Hydro suspended from the roof down to the box. Everybody transplanted nicely. Looks like everybody survived nicely. Here is my Bloom Plus BP 1000. And there's the box. Looks good. And then of course here are my Growtronics lights and its box. So now I gotta just wait until everything grows a bit more. I'm thinking these lights will probably be on for a month. I'll keep them on until the plants are tall enough that they don't need it anymore. And of course, the closer we move, towards summertime, the more light we'll be getting every day. So there we have it. Just a quick update. The lights are moved. They're looking good. Someday I think I would like to get some 4 feet long ones to put in here and have them more or less permanently in the greenhouse. Anyways, that's it. I hope wherever you are in the world, you're having a great day. And cheers for now.